I'm gonna be the one to just go ahead and tell you, at this very moment in my life, I'm in my record that content and post it era. Anything is content. Whatever you got in your drafts, post it. I don't care if it's just you eating a bag of chips. I don't care if it's you writing with a pen. I don't care if it's you cleaning your house. I don't care if it's you doing flips in the grass and splits on the sidewalk. I don't care if it's you getting down to the nitty gritty. I don't care if it's you doing up, down, side part, middle part, and bottom. Post it. As long as you being authentic, which means being yourself, that's what's gonna make us viewers fall in love. That's what's gonna make us keep coming back to your page to look for more. That's what's gonna make us give you that follow. That's what's gonna make us engage on your content. See, look, I already know what you thinking. My hair not done. I don't have my nails done. My lashes ain't done. I don't know how to do makeup. I don't like how I look in the camera. What if this person say this about me? What if this person say that about me? If you don't get that thought to thunk out your head, I know something. Y'all already know that I love to keep it 100, but I also love to keep it 1,000 out. I was the same exact way until I realized it's not about the appearance. It's all about the personality within. So if you see this video, this is your sign to go ahead and post that content.